Zach says, I'm on it, brah. Zach says, the standard deviation of the number of idiotic questions Groom deals with every day has increased. Huh. What did you hear? The one tail? Two tail? Upper or lower? Upper? Mr. Groom's going to write one of these numbers. I heard standard deviation. I am not going to write mu, for God's sakes. That's ridiculous. What am I going to write? Sigma. You with me? Yeah. Mr. Groom, do we know what it used to be? No. It used to be 10. No!
What is that?
It is no longer 10. You see this? You see this? What am I going to do, Mad? Eat. What am I going to do? Crackhead, it's stats. If you, in a stats class, do not do this on every freaking, basically on every problem, then you're a dork. You're going to take a sample. Every freaking time. So take a sample, obviously. And so Zach says, I'm going to sample 30 days. And in those 30 days, wait for it, Mr. Groom got a bunch of stupid questions today. So like out of the first period, he got this many questions. And fourth period, he got this many questions. He added it all together. Get this many stupid questions today, and this many stupid questions tomorrow, and this many stupid questions the next day, and so forth, and so on, and so on, yes? For 30 days. The average number of stupid questions or whatever was 15. The standard deviation, you see, was 8.1. There are some days when you just get asked a ridiculous number of stupid questions. I mean, just ridiculous. Now, do we know if this thing is normally distributed or not? We don't. All right, we don't know anything about it. Shush. What's the matter? Can't read my handwriting? You making fun of me, Marissa? A little bit? Okay. I like that kid. No, kind of. All right, here we go. Now, Mr. Groom gave you some extra information that you do not need. When I get a list of numbers, the first thing I always do is what? Make a freaking average. Every time. Am I going to use it for this problem? No. Now, listen. If you recall, chi-squares are always made by doing the following.
Do you not need an alpha in this one?
Oh, I will give you one in a minute, dear. Thank you. Alpha is 0.05. Sweet. It's chi-square. Now, do you recall what the chi-square function looks like when you draw it? It's not symmetric. It starts at 0, and it kind of gives it one of these numbers. Kind of weird shaped. Give or take, something like that. Don't freak out. I'm not going to it's not a good sketch. You suck. It just looks something like this. Remember, it's not symmetric. Now, are we in the upper or lower tail here? We are going to be talking about the upper tail. Shh. You with me right there? Somewhere over there. We're interested in putting 0.05 in this upper tail. That's what we're interested in doing. Right? Now, note to self. When you're doing these problems, okay, we're going to compute this thing here in a minute. Okay? If we land way out here, obviously we're going to reject. And if we're in here, we'll fail to reject. It's easy. Now let's do it. So, what is it? How many samples did I take? 30, so 29. 8.1. Oh, fart. Cripes. We didn't use this anyway, so Mr. Groom's going to bump that up a ways. And I'm going to put 12 here. Let's fix it. I'm sorry. Listen. I don't care. I'm sorry. I care. I mean, I care. That's it. I care. I'm sorry. Yeah. Listen, I wasn't paying attention to myself. Mostly because people are annoying me today, but whatever. Not you, because you're smart. But I was just saying, listen, it has increased. Why would Zach think it's increased? And then he takes a sample and it's actually gone way down. I mean, not a little down. I mean, like way down. Zach, are you on crack, bro? I don't think so. Yeah. No, the man is literally knows what he's talking about. He's like, I think it's gone up. So he takes a sample and shockingly, the standard deviation is higher than it used to be. Now, the question is it significantly higher or is it just barely higher? I don't know yet. But 8.1 was a stupid number to put, so I'm sorry. Let's try again. Now, 29 times 12 square over 10 square. Literally, I wrote one number wrong. Judas Priest. Get over yourselves a little bit. I'm sorry. I suck at life. Ask anyone. They'll give you references. Mr. Grimm sucks. Might literally have a list of references about what you jackass.
Wait, why'd you say 10 squared?
Because it's SX squared. Oh, yeah, because it's sigma squared, babe. There you go. It's sigma.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sigma squared. Good call. What'd you get? 41.76. Shh. That's my chi-square number, yo. Is it significant or not? Listen, I don't know, but I better go find a p-value, yes? So watch me. I can't remember how to do it, so I'm just going to bring up the old giggle sheets and play along, okay? Somebody asked me yesterday, Natalie asked me yesterday, can you kind of give me a demonstration? To which I said, yeah, I guess. So then I was doing it on a little dumb phone, right? And then I'm like, uh-oh, I don't remember how to do this right. So I'm just going to play along, and we'll just discover it by hand. It's not very difficult. Load equals chi square. No, it's dist. Chi square, is it dot dist? Dist? Play along with me there. I can't. Is it chi dist? Like this?
Yeah.
This is what I want. This is chi square dist. This is how it is. This is how it is. You see, chi dist. No, chi square dist. Chi dist. Is there a chi square dist too?
Yeah.
Okay, listen. There's a couple ways. That's probably what that problem was yesterday. Chi square dist.
Is that the one we want?
Chi square. What is it?
Oh, I see.
I literally
Chi
just
squared
said
dot
that.
this.
That's what I have. Dot this, and then that one's the.
There's too many. You broke through. It always
Okay, can we just all shut up? Now, can you please tell me, how do I type it in? Chi square dist. It's not going with me. Is it SQDIST?
dot.
Okay. God dang it. Okay. Let's do this. Now, Mr. Groom. What's going to go right here? 41 point whatever we had a minute ago. Duh. 41.76, comma. Degrees freedom. Duh. 29. Cumulative. Always, baby. 94.
Wait,
Shush. Shh. I put a 1. It wants to know cumulative. I put 1. Why? You're not listening to me. Cumulative distribution says, from way over here on the left, how much have I built up? 94%. Now, that is not the question that was asked. Are you with me? Look at the picture. Look at it. Where is 94% in this picture? It's to the left. Duh. You know, my morning was going so good, I knew my afternoon had to go to crap. I had to go to crap. Morning went so good, afternoon had to be bad. I can't wait till I get home tonight, because it's got to go downhill from here. Can it go negative? Yes, probably. Now listen, friends, if it's 94 here, what's in the tail? 6, obviously. You mean 1 minus? That's what we've been doing every time, yeah? So what is it? P is 0.06. Listen, my BS level was 0.05, so what's my decision? Fail to reject. By how much? By not much, though, yes? It's close, isn't it? So, fail to reject. Well, it hasn't increased, so what do you say about Zach? He said it had increased, so Zach is wrong. It has not increased significantly, yes? All right, let's see if we can do the next one without screwing it up. I mean, me, not you, because you're slow. Okay? I'm going to have to pitch myself off this table in about a minute. Goodbye, cruel. Oh, I'm back. I can't even say goodbye, cruel world. I can't even fall long enough to say that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Judas Priest. Hey, look. What's the matter? Do you want me to write it down? Lydia says the variance, variance of the number of dudes, who hit on her, who flirt with her at Dutch Bras, has increased. Cool. The flirt with her, this is per day, of course. I'm just going to, in parentheses, per day. Okay? Per shift. I don't know. Well, she keeps track of this crap. I just work here. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Now listen. What does she do? She samples 12 days. Oh, wait, listen. Oh, yeah. It used to be 7 per day. That's right, per day. They straight up flirted with her. Hey, cutie, here's my card. And whatever. Listen, it's weird. That's what it used to be. Now listen, there's the difference between this one and the last one. Do you know it? What is it? What's the difference? Variance. Do not screw this up. Do not screw that up. That is the only thing that I can fool you on, is telling you that I gave you the variance already. In the formula, look what it asks for. What does it ask for? It asks for the variance. Some idiots will square it again because they're not paying attention. It's already freaking squared. Just throw a 7 in the basement over here. So she takes a sample. She takes a sample of the next 16 days. And she found that, of course, X bar was, 27 guys on average. By the way, the standard deviation was only 3.1. 3.1. Now, look what's going to happen here. Her chi-square is going to look like this. It's going to look 15, 3.1 squared, wait for it, over 7. That you will screw up. Somebody will do it. Probably you. Might be me. It's very easy, common mistake. But watch, if you screw that up, all of a sudden you get 49. Like, yo, this is 10? This is 49. That's weird. That is what will happen if you accidentally square it again. You'd be like, oh my God, what did I do wrong? Well, you squared it again. That's why. It's already squared. For gosh sakes, leave it alone. It happens to all of us, happens to the best of us, happens to the worst of us. It just happens because you're not paying attention. Yeah? It is one of those, you can tell people there's a pothole coming, you can put up signs, people will move the signs and fall in the pothole. No, that's what they do. That's what they do. Why are all these barricades here? Move them out of the way. Oh, I drove in the ditch. Probably to keep you from doing that. But, whatever, you do you. Bless you. What do you get?
What's alpha?
Alpha is, let's do 0.1 this time. What do we get now? What does this come out to be? 20.6, I am told. Listen, I'm lazy, as you well know. All I'm going to do is change this 41 business to 20. And that comes out to be 12.6. Is that what you got? Oh, I didn't change my degrees of freedom. 15? Oh, 85, basically, percent, yes? Where's 85% in this picture? 85% in the picture is over here. So how much is out here in the tail? So my p-value is, so what are we going to do? Fail to reject, which means, Lydia, the variance of the number of dudes who flirt with you per shift has not increased significantly. Okay? That's the game. There it is. There it is. Mr. Groom would be the guy in the back making the milkshakes or whatever that no one wants to see. He wouldn't be the guy at the window that just sits there and flirts with people. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how are you doing? Hey, how's it going? Like Beasley always cracked me up. That man never worked when he worked there, did he? He just sat at the window and flirted with people. It cracked me up. I'm like, do you even do anything, Beasley? No, I just stand here in the window, man. It's cool. Okay, whatever. Questions, comments, concerns? Now, wait. Oh, yeah. Fail to reject, sir. This is our BS level, 10%. Less than 10%, call them BS. Okay? Didn't quite get there. Didn't quite. Yes.
You're not saying that she's right.
Wait, whoa. So we failed to reject. Failed to reject H naught. So we're sticking with H naught, yes? But under H naught, see, this is what Lydia said. Lydia said this. However, we are sticking with this. Ergo, Lydia is incorrect. Okay? We failed to reject H naught. So if we're sticking with H naught, Lydia is wrong. Okay? And then you fill in the blanks, blah, blah, blah. Number of variants of this or that has not increased significantly, of course. But the gist of it is fail to reject H naught, Lydia is wrong. Yada, yada, yada. What? Got it? Grace says, this is amazing. Grace says, standard deviation of the number of calories in a bowl of, what is something that you eat? Soy something? Granola. There you go. Granola has changed. It used to be 15. Nice. What does this sound like to you? What kind of a test? Sounds too tailish to me. Oops, that's supposed to be 15, you jerk. Which one's supposed to be equal to? Which one's supposed to be equal to? Top one. Okay. Hey, look, we got a little alpha. 0.05 action. So she takes a sample of bowls of granola. 10 bowls of granola. 300 calories. Whatever. By the way, don't care about that part. Maybe she does. I don't. And 12.7. Did it go up or down? I don't know. Listen, it doesn't really make much difference to me. All I know is this, friend, is that I said it has changed, which means it could have gone either way. It seems odd to me in the real world. Two-tailed tests are kind of weird in the real world from the standpoint of normally if I'm there, if I'm paying attention, I know if things are trending up or trending down. But whatevs. The only time you'd use a two-tailed test, really, is if you were doing quality control. And what you would do is this. You would have, in essence, between here and here, right? If you can keep it between the lines, right? Maybe take the quality control out every hour or 2 hours. Yep, we're good to go. Or nope, shut this sucker down. Okay? It's the only times. Because again, quality control, I want to keep it between the lines. I don't want things to get out of whack. That's about the only time the two-tailed tests come into play. All right, here we go. What is it? Chi-square equal 9, 12.7 squared, 15 squared. Yeah, I don't know what this is. 6.1? 6.45? Okay, little pro tip for those of you that like these kind of things. We clearly are operating on both sides, yes? Right? Pro tip number 1. If Sx is less than sigma, then you are on the lower tail. Side of things, yes? And if Sx is bigger, you're going to end up being in the upper tail side of things. I mentioned that because I'm a little bit smaller than this guy. Sometimes, because this is not a perfect symmetrical shape, you don't really know which side the middle's on. Am I in the middle? Am I in the bottom? I can't tell because it's too close to 15 to know. But because 12.7 is less than 15, I know that I'm on that side of the middle. Okay? Versus the last two, we were on this side of the middle. Yes? But the last two, we were considerably bigger than the middle. Not big enough to reject, but it was pretty obvious. This time, it might not be so obvious. So just keep an eye on it. Okay, so watch this now. So equals chi-squared, do your thing. Do it. Equals chi-squared, do your thing. Type it in. Huh? 0.305? For reals? Really? Oh, you're giving me the whole p-value. Just give me the number first. You're freaking me out, man. What is this? Oh, you typed it all in right? And you got 0.15 out of it, yes? Is that what you got or something? 0.1 something? But you didn't times it by 2 yet, did you? Oh, okay. Okay, okay, hang on. Just let me type this in. So what she told me was this. Let me type it in myself. I just got to quit being lazy, I guess. What was the number? I just want to play too. 6.45. How many degrees of freedom? All right, 0.3. Sweet. Now listen. 0.3, what do you mean, Mr. Hume? I mean 0.3 is on this side, yes? But this is a two-tailed test, right, Zach? So in other words, times it by 2, I get a p-value of 0.6. That's like always. How did I know I didn't have to subtract from 100% this time? Because this guy was bigger than the bottom guy. I knew I was on this side. I didn't have to do 1 minus this time, yes? All right, just be aware of that. Another pro tip is this. When you did that inverse chi-square disk, you got a number here that was less than 0.5. You with me? Just leave it alone. The last two we got 0.94 and 0.85 or something. Obviously, do 1 minus those two. So 0.6. What's our decision here? Fail to reject H naught. Oh, geez, everybody's wrong today. Grace, you are also wrong. It has not changed. It has not changed. Wait for it. Significantly. That's right. Sigly. So fail to reject H naught. The standard deviation has not changed. Sigly. Yes? Nice. Now, I know what you're thinking. Amara is sitting over here going, but can you do chi-square the classical method? Yeah. You know, you can. It's weird. Let's try it. Shall we? We shall. So Amara says, yes, with the H? Yay me. Amara says, the standard deviation of, I don't know, standard deviation of roadkill sightings has changed from 10 per day. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. I don't know, she lives way out in the sticks apparently. She sees a lot of roadkill. And the animals apparently are really stupid and don't get out of the way. Yeah? Great. Cool, here we go. So I take a sample, 16. And X bar is, I don't know, she averages 20 roadkill sightings a day, I guess. Good for you, weirdo. And, yeah, 15 for standard deviation. Weird. Alpha, 0.1. Well, if we were to do this, the classical method, I would need to find cutoff scores, yes? And how in the devil are we going to do that? I don't know. But I feel like I got to put 0.05 in each tail, yes? So we're going to do chi, what is it, square dot inverse or whatever it is? Is that what it is? Let's try this dog. Equals chi square dot inverse. There he is. Probability 0.05. That's the 6, dummy. Comma, how many degrees of freedom? 15? So I get 7.26. Listen, I make a note of that somewhere, but I don't write it down because I don't know where it goes. If you recall from chapter 7, you know where it goes. But if you don't remember, you're like, oh, get it. So, Grace, the other one, of course, is going to be 0.95, dear. Literally, I'm going to put 0.95 right. Give it to me. Right here. And I'm going to get 24.99. You with me? So I'm not completely stupid. I figure 24.99 must be here. 7.26 must be here. It's at this juncture that we should probably get about to finding our chi-square number. Oh, poop. You know what I forgot to do? Do you see what I forgot to do? It's embarrassing. No, because you're amazing, and I'm stupid. I'm stupid. No, I'm stupid. It's fine. You're awful swell. And I think it's going to be 30-something, isn't it? 30-something? Isn't it 30-something? Do the math. Oh my gosh, you're going too fast. Isn't it 30-something? 33.75. Look where we are, Shelby. Look where we are. Look at me. Look at it. There. Look. What are we going to do, girl? We're out here. Rejected bejesus out of it. I like it. It's the bearded lady, if I get around to drawing it yet. I'm trying to, that's her dress, yo.
She's showing her entire bottom half.
Good Lord.
There you go. A classy lady.
It's St. Helens, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to reject H-naught because we're in the Freakville, yes? And what are we saying here? Oh, Amara is what? Amara, she said it has changed.
Oh, no, she right.
Amara be right, yo.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Nice. Again, that is the classical method.
Are we gonna have to do it that way?
On the homework, yes. On the test, I need you to be comfortable with it, although I don't know that I'll make you do it on the test. On the test, I'll probably allow you a choice of what you want to do. What? No, I'm not going to guesstimate. We've already done the first 4.
Oh, okay.
That's the 5th one right here.
Oh, 6?
Shh. Now, there's one more thing I want to demonstrate. I can read your mind. That's gross. Now, let's do this. Now, what she was actually thinking was, Mr. Groom, can we do the confidence interval method for chi-square too? You better believe it, lady. That's a good thinking on your part. Wait! I just like spelling that with the L. It just makes me happy. Like a big L. What?
We've done 3 problems.
No, the last one was this Lydia. This is this Lydia.
You know what's fun too? An A.
Wasn't the last kid Amara that said we just picked on?
Yeah.
And wasn't it Grace prior to that? And then Zach?
We should do Cassidy. She isn't represented.
You're right. No, you're right. You're right. We need to get another guy because I'm going to get confused. I'm going to be... It's going to be sexist here in a minute. Joe says... What? What?
We said do Cassidy. You're right. We should do another guy.
That's not what I said. Notice I get to do Cassidy. We should do a guy. Sorry. Joe says she's never going to feed me again. This is sad. I don't really care. Shh. Just go with Lydia then. Nobody cares. Says the variance of idiotic things Groom says. No.
Oh, wait,
No.
Oh, he wouldn't say.
Not here's. Says. Indeed. Mm-hmm. Is no longer 6 per period. I heard this. What is important if you're going to do this? What is important? Must be a 2-tailed test. This method with the confidence interval only works on a 2-tailed test. That's true of any confidence interval method. Alpha, 0.05. Cool. Oh, now I kind of feel bad, but not really. It's Friday and I'm stupid all the time, so whatever. Oh my God, it's Friday. TTFN. Shh, here we go. Did I say alpha's 0.05? I did. All right, let's do this. Let's find these guys, shall we? Oh, wait, you're like, Mr. Graham, how are we going to do this? We're going to do a confidence interval.
Wait, what's the average?
Yeah, X bar.
It doesn't matter,
I
so I
wanna
didn't.
know.
Oh,
Thank you.
I say 42 idiotic things on average per period, apparently.
Whoa.
Every word.
You're not wrong. Listen.
I'll say it louder.
Shh. Do you recall we did this earlier? Chapter 7. So really, there's no difference between this. I'm already going to go find these chi-square uppers and lowers, yes?
Oh.
The numerator's the same, so it's going to be 26 times 9.2 squared. 9.2 squared. What are we not going to use? 6. There's no 6 in here anywhere, is there? Because we need to know where 6 lies. So, in here, on this doodad, chi-square inverse, 0.9, how many degrees of freedom? 16? 16, 26, what is it? 26. 38.8. 38.8. And, come on, click on it, you freaking hippie. $15.4 or thereabouts, I guess. Now, again, how do I know which one goes where? You put the bigger number over here, so as Miss Aguirre would say, you divide by a bigger number, you get a smaller answer. Okay. All right, what do you get? How are you confused, bro? Well, I was when you were yabbering, I was doing the chi-square inverse, just like on the last problem. Okay, that's it. That's all. Ready? Okay. Okay. It's a weird day, Grace. It's just a weird day. This morning was just too good. So you knew the afternoon had to go downhill.
Wait, is it chi-square dot in
Oh, it's just weird. People in this class make fun of me. I say dumb things about Cassidy. Now, over here, dear, I went inverse, a chi-square dot inverse, yes? You see that? So I put in 0.05, comma 26 and 0.95, comma 26. Does somebody notice anything weird about that? Do you notice anything weird about that? Yes.
Yeah.
Shh. What's wrong with it? What was our alpha value?
0.05.
Oh, fart. Shh. Can I talk? Thank you. Thank you. Shh. Now, let's try this. See if I can not screw it up this time. But it's a hard thing. I doubt I cannot screw it up because I am pretty good at screwing things up. 13.8.84. 13.84. Don't change it. Oh my gosh. Here's a thought. Here's just a I'm just going to throw this out there. In math class, use a pencil. No. It does, unless you screw it up. Not my fault. You screwed it up. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Divide that baby out. I changed into 0.975, 975, and 0.025. These are the numbers I got. What do we get for new numbers there, sir?
52.52 is less than 6.5, which is less than 159.
Shh. Now listen. The question was something about what? The variance was 6. Guess what is not in here, friends? 6. What's not even close to being in there? 6. So you would reject, there you go, reject the bejesus out of H naught. It has changed significantly. Okay, now listen. Joe, Cassidy, Lydia, whoever was right because it has changed significantly. Now, I will say this, Alex, that this looks really stupid right here. These giant numbers compared to our 6. Okay? But we're totally right. But here's why it looks totally stupid. Because if Mr. Groom had been using his noodle, which Lord knows he's not using it this afternoon. Shh, look up here, look up here, look up here. Mr. Groom wrote variance here, yes? But over here he gave you a 9 for standard deviation. If I had made this something more like what? 3? You with me? Or something similar, so that I would have gotten 9 when I did the variance, yes? Then what would have happened? Well, then I would have gotten a more realistic sized numbers down here. But whatever. If you can do division, if you're not a former kindergarten teacher / high school principal, you can run a calculator into a division problem. So it's all good. It just looks a little weird on this problem. Okay? Not a big deal. It's still rejected by Jesus out there. Just the reason it looks so weird is because I should have given you 3 point something, so that when I squared out, I got 9 as opposed to 81. All right, I'm done yabbering. Questions, comments? Listen, next week. That's a good question. I hear it coming. What? What? It's a good question. You got an email, dear. The deadline. The deadline is the 26th of, wait for it, February. Well, April. Well, you never know. Shh. If you want college credit again, you need to register again. February 26th is the deadline. Mr. Groom, can I take it for second semester I didn't do first? No. No, it doesn't work that way. Question? What?
Are you going to make us, like, are you going to ask us?
Oh, hey, listen, this is a great question. Hey, this is a great question right here. Mr. Groom, how do I know if it's significant? Listen, if you reject H0, you are saying it has increased or decreased or whatever significantly. If it doesn't reject, then you just witnessed a slightly higher than normal. Over the course of the day, if a person was constantly monitoring their blood pressure, for instance, over the course of the day, it might spike up on you, right? Does not mean you're going to die of a heart attack or a stroke. You could, but it could just be a momentary spike, yes? One needn't get concerned about this. Over the course of days and days and days, if the average was 170 over 97, yes, you should probably get that looked into. If once in a while you get a spike, but the average is still like 130 over 72 or whatever, you're good to go. So you may notice that the last few days you're up. It might be, I don't know. I feel like I've gained some weight lately or something. Oh, it's a couple of pounds. Get over yourself, okay? When it starts to be like, I swear I had toes down there. Okay, that becomes significant, yes? But at some point, there's always going to be fluctuations, yes? So a little bit of change, not a significant change if I don't reject H0. Does that make sense? If I reject H0, it's always significant. Because we've put it so that we've passed our BS level. There's always going to be fluctuations, like pulling 4 cards in a row can happen, yes? 4 black cards in a row can you knock it off? Shh. 4 black cards in a row can happen. 6, it could happen. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. They're 50-50 because it has surpassed my BS level. Okay, it's too hard to believe that anymore. I'm not doing it. There was something else I was going to say, but I'm done talking, so I don't remember what it was.